I had gone in to go see my doctor for a regular checkup and the results of my echo, and he was concerned that my right side of my heart was enlarged. And so he said possibly it could be sleep apnea, and so he suggested doing a pulmonary function test, which we did there, and it was perfectly normal. Set up the sleep study, and because I answered the questions that you fill out for that, whether you get drowsy, sleepy, fall asleep, nothing. And then so I thought, okay, I'll do the sleep study. I came back with moderately severe sleep apnea.
She was tired. She was tired of being tired. And that was really the most important part of Linda's life that I was struck by.
Here recently, Dr. Ghuge said that I was probably a candidate for this mandibular appliance, and he fitted me for that, and we did another sleep study, 3 hours on with a regular CPAP and 3 hours with a mandibular device. And he said with the mandibular device, I had zero snoring, I got down into REM sleep. He said it was perfect, so I could pack up my CPAP for now, and I'm just doing my mandibular device, and it's working out great.
Linda is a great person. She's very intellectual. She's highly goal-oriented and logical. And therefore, it was hard for her to believe that she had a condition that causes such great fatigue and problems with cardiac function and valve disease and other things. And every one of us has our own, coping mechanisms for what we think is wrong with us.
In talking with my friends, I said it is so important because you can have sudden death at night. So many people die at night in their sleep because of sleep apnea. And it is important with the snoring to just go get assessed and see if you have it, and to start your treatment. And you can be alive to see your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids, and be around.